Hi everybody, this is Rita with Bloom Stitch and welcome to my mess. And yeah, I just wanted to do a little tutorial with you today on how I make altered paper clips. And I'm sure you've seen these. These are not my idea. They've been all over everywhere. I've gotten them, the ideas, from so many different people. But I just made some and I figured I'll just turn on the camera and do a couple of them with you guys. Here are just some that I made today with old book pages and fussy cutting that I've done. There's a little one, a little doll dress. There's a bigger one. There's different sizes, whatever size you want to make it. It doesn't have to be a certain size, you know, just whatever you want. But they are just darling. I just love them. So cute. You know, just to clip on your page in a journal. Just adds to it, or on an altered file folder, or whatever you want to use it for yourself at home. So what I do, and these are pretty simple, I have a bunch of fussy cutting here ready to go that I've done. Oh, this is another one, so cute. But yeah, a bunch of fussy cutting. So you just take a book page. You can use anything. It doesn't have to be a book page. It can be, you know, music pages, anything. And I just, whatever size you wanted it to be. This is the size that I'm going with right now. I just fold it in half and just tear it down in the middle. So this will give me this size, the bigger size. If I wanted to make one of the little ones, then I just tear this one in half, you know, just like that, and fold it. But let's go with the bigger size, so this size. So you just fold it in half and then take your paper clip and I'm gonna go this side. So I'm gonna put the littler side, the smaller size of the paper clip in here because I want the big side to go on my page, to be the clippable side. Okay, so that will be my clippable side, the bigger one. So you just clipped, you open this up and you put the little side in here, and then now the hard part, not really, just take my glue, my tacky glue, and just glue this down. Make sure I'm in frame here. Glue this together. And now all you gotta do is just decorate this one side. Is all I decorate, just the side, the non-clip side. So all I've done with all these paper clips that you see here, I just added 3 things to them. For softness, I added a little bit of cheesecloth. That's what I started with. Okay, I put glue all over this and then added the cheesecloth, and then let's say pick a little girl. Go with her. That's my second element. Like I said, I put 3 things on here. That's it. And I put her at an angle. I don't like things straight to be put on there. And then, should we go with the cherry? That's kind of big. It's kind of hard to decide what to pick. This flower, would that work? Yeah, we'll go with that. This little flower will be our 3rd element on here. All right, but you can put as much or as little that you want. I'm just going with the 3s. There seems to be something with the 3s, right? So I just tap it on there and let it dry, and that's it. That's it. That's done. Now the last thing I did was I just inked them up, you know, whatever ink you want to use. I just inked them up all around on the front to give it that vintage effect. So I don't think it's necessary to do another one, but I wanted to show you what I've been working on this weekend. Altered file folders, but these are going to be the half size, and these are not listed yet because I'm not done with them yet. I've not done the half size before. I always done the big ones, the real big ones, where you need multiple big file folders to create it. That's what I've done, but these smaller ones I've not done before. They are so much fun though. So much stuff I was able to put in here. When I do, I will do a video separately on these. This is, I think I just named this Princess because this is a Stamperia, really hard chipboard Princess that will go in here. There in the lace pocket. Okay, so that's gonna be one. There's a little journal in there and everything. And then I did a blue set. Yeah, there is my blue set right here. Some pretty blue lace on the bottom. And just a butterfly in the back. But yeah, I will take these apart and show you what all is included once I actually do the video on them. This one comes with a journal that's separate because it would not fit in here. So this is the little scrappy journal. So cute. And the third one I've done is a kitty one. Is a vintage kitty. Vintage kitties. Yes, so cute. I think it turned out really good. So these are coffee dyed file folders. I cut them in half and sew it into a pocket shape. And just stuff it with all kinds of kitty goodness. Everything in here is a kitty theme. So yeah, I'll do the flip through of these possibly tomorrow. I'm working on the last one. It's a grungy one, a really grungy one. And then I have maybe some bigger ones that I'm going to be working on too. But today I'm also working on these envelopes that are these modeling paste envelopes. These 3D effect. Don't know if that comes too. And then I have this pretty polish on them. I'm working on those today too. So that's all I wanted to share with you today, and you guys have a good rest of your weekend, and peace out.